Good morning, good night, good evening, good day, whatever time it is that you're checking in on this video. Welcome back to 876 and Chill. You don't know, it's the voice of your original island girl Raquel. And today, can you guess where we're going? Can you guess where we're at? Please comment down in the comment section if you know where you're seeing on the screen right now. But just in case you don't know, we are driving through Fern Gully, which means we are heading to St. Anne's, or we're in St. Anne and we're going to Ocho Rios. Well, we're not exactly gonna be in Ocho Rios today, but stay tuned. Did you know the Fern Gully gets its name from the over 300 variety of ferns that grow along the gully? The gully or gorge is approximately 3 miles long of winding roads which was once a river. But the river disappeared after the 1907 earthquake. The riverbed was then paved into a road. You can stop and support our local craft vendors and take pictures with this famous Rastaman carving like I did. From a citizen, you know, we're no longer in St. Anne's and we have crossed over into St. Mary, where we came upon this beautiful spot in Tower House. It was just right on the side of the road and we pulled over to take a few pictures. Now there's a little debris on the side, but it was breathtaking. Like, take a look around.
It's not a day out without pictures.
Yes guys, so we have arrived at our location and as you can see, your man is a big kid at heart. While we were waiting to go on the ride or on the ATV, we saw this tire swing and yeah, we get away. As you can see, Ramina have a ball on the swing, and one little friend in the background tease him and say him can't touch the tree, so that's how you see him try to. And then you see him now he decides that him gonna take a try, cause them want to touch the limb. Make us wait for them to reach the limb. So while our little friend here is trying to attempt to touch the limb, he might step in and this is trying to help him, because we all know teamwork make the dream work. But she also tell him to need to try another option to see how best him can get for touch the limb. But it never work out too good. Him end up start spinning instead. So we all know Sadie from the previous video, the beach vlog. Sadie decides that she wants to try. But as usual, Sadie afraid. She's afraid. So I just the way I push her, him a push her and she'll scream. I couldn't hear the sound because she just scream so loud. But she wanted to try also. Yes, we're going to our doom now. Heading down these treacherous steps. Yeah.
When it over my ears, it help me pull it off.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
This one I can put on your mask.
Okay.
Oh my word. By the time you come back, you did my heart a beat hard already. And there's our bikes.
Now look. See your face? Like please post.
Alright, because we reach a section where it kind of slow for go down the hill, so somebody finally take out them phone and start video. So I mean when I back go on with them antics. You don't know, me the other friend I'm done gone down that section already and gone. You know, girl did I lead like a boss. But go and check out the video and see what happened. So yeah guys, then finally catch up with me now. That's me at the front. Yeah, girl, that's one with herself. So guys, here are some shots of us when we stop at the top of the hill. Yeah, you know, it's not a fun day without one bag of picture. We know we have to do it. So the ride was over, it was fun, but we had to hit the road. So guys, we have arrived at one of my favorite spots in St. Mary right now. We are at the beach. Yes, we are at Sugar Pot Ruins. So you know the adventure no stop. We left from Dirt Adventures and now we're heading to the beach to take a swim. Yes, people. And we listen. Girl still can't swim, but the girl have her noodle and girl look cute in her suit. The place slightly overcast, but it's perfect weather for swimming because it's not too hot and it ain't too cold. So entrance to the beach is $1,000 for adults and $500 for kids. There is a DJ on location spinning some tunes. These are the place where you go when you want hideaway. No, I shouldn't tell me the name. This is one little hideaway chill out spot where you just go hang out and have a blast.